Okay, so in this short video, we're going to talk about our lock cylinders. Okay, there's some things that you should know about those. First of all, they're held in with one simple screw, and it goes in this hole right below the deadbolt. Okay, so that's where that goes. Threads in there. Oh, we're going to take this cylinder out, and we'll talk about it a little bit. So there's your screw. To pull a cylinder out, you simply pull it and turn the thumb turn until it disengages. And the reason you have to turn that thumb turn is because, see, it's turning this this tang here, and that has to be in the center there. It can't be protruding. If it's sticking out on one side, then it will not be able to be removed. Okay, so that's why we kind of move the thumb turn, and that's what the cylinders look like. You'll notice we have different lengths, and this is based on the door design. If you have just a standard door that's painted, or you have one that has aluminum on the exterior where the outside face grows in thickness, we'll have a different cylinder for that. Okay, a different offset they call it. Okay, and you'll notice that's where that screw is inserted into the cylinder. So we have different lengths that we stock. It has to do with the thickness and also where the lock body is located, the center line of the lock body, or the axis of the lock body. Okay, so before we install the cylinder, we need to look inside and see if it's clear. Now you see inside there's something protruding in there, and it's actually the piece that the tang is going to control. It's going to run this piece that's sticking down. Sometimes those can come out when you take the cylinder out. They can fall down, rotate. So what we need to do is we need to stick a long skinny thing in there, or a screw, and we're going to push that up out of the way. So now it's out of the way. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and install that. And we'll put our door handle back on. Everything must be lined up properly for this to work. These are quite tight tolerances with these cylinders. And you just have to be patient and kind of work it. Oops, see, there it goes. Now, how do you know where the sweet spot is? How do we know that this screw is going to line up? Well, as I'm installing that cylinder, I'm also trying to turn the thumb turn. See? Come on. See, I'm trying to turn this as I push it in, and see, now it's going to turn. So we just found the sweet spot, and from there we can go ahead and install the screw. There it is. It went right into where it belongs. Okay. And you don't want to over tighten that screw, and that's what holds that cylinder in. Okay, so I wanted to talk about one more thing about our cylinders. These are not a European, they are a European cylinder, but the keyway is actually a slag C keyway, which is one of the most common keyways in North America. And we have these made for us by a German company, and they put the North American cylinder in there. So you could take your key and have any of your doors rekeyed to match. And this is a benefit of our doors over, say, a European door, where if you buy a door from Europe, they're going to come with some weird European lock that you can't replicate here. You'd have to contact the European company, and you can't match doors. Say you have a door made by someone else, it's impossible to get them to match. But with our cylinders, they can be easily rekeyed by any locksmith that knows a slag C keyway. So that's a really nice feature here. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, check out our YouTube page for any other technical videos. We may be able to already answer some of your questions on some of those videos. So thank you.